everyone, and welcome to the Whimsy Stamp channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share with you the Whimsy Stamp Woodland Cottage Slimline die. This is a new die in the Whimsy Slimline collection. This die has such great detail to it, from the cottage to the trees and fence. It makes for a great country scene. So just to give you a visual, I'm putting it up against a piece of cardstock measuring 3 5/8 by 8 5/8, which is a traditional size for a slimline card. This die, when cut out, measures 8 1/4 inches long by approximately 3 1/4 inches wide at the top of the windmill. You can do so much with this die. You can use a pencil to help you outline where you want to separate the colors, if that helps you, and then you could just erase them when you're done, or you can color it freehand without making any lines. You can make winter scenes with snow, or you can make spring scenes, whatever you like. The possibilities are endless. I do have one sample card I made using the Slimline die for you. I chose to watercolor my card and make it a winter scene with snow. You can also cut it out from black cardstock and make a silhouette card, or use Copic markers, whatever you like. I hope you head on over to the Whimsy website and check out the entire new release that is available today. There are lots of great projects from the other members on the design team, and I encourage you to check them out as well. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.